Greetings from Muthulakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Cauvery College for Women. In this session, we are going to discuss about sequences in Python. Now, let us look at what is meant by sequences. Group of elements or items is denoted as sequences. There are 6 different types of sequences in Python. They are str, bytes, byte array, list, tuples, ranges. Let us look at each and everything individually. String data type. str is denoted as string data type. String data type consists of group of characters. Every group of characters are enclosed in single or double quotes. Or otherwise, we can use triple single quotes or triple double quotation, which is used to span a group of lines. Some of the possible operations with strings are slicing operation and repetition operation. The operator for slicing is a square bracket and repetition is star. What is meant by slicing operation? Slicing operation, it is nothing but you can retrieve a piece of information from the string. Repetition operator, which is used to repeat the given string for more number of. Example for string data type is, first of all, I have initialized the value s is equal to welcome to Python, which is placed within the double quotation mark. Print s prints the entire string. Print s of 0, which prints the first character in the string. So always the index value starts with the number 0. Print s of 2 is to 8, which returns the element from the starting index 2 and ending index 7. Print s of 10 colon. Here we does not specify the ending string so that it displays the index position from 10 to end of the string. Print s of -1, which returns the last character in the string. Print s star 2, which is used to display the same string for 2 times. Next data type is bytes data type. What is meant by bytes? Bytes is nothing but it is a group of byte numbers. The byte numbers ranges from 0 to 255. Only positive integers are allowed in byte data type. The negative numbers are not allowed. Once we initialize the byte data type, we cannot modify or edit any element in that byte. Here also, we can use the slice operation and addition operator. This is an example for byte data type. Here, E is equal to 10, 20, 30 and 40. X is equal to bytes of E. Bytes function, which is used to convert the given value into bytes data type. If you want to print each and every element in the bytes data type, we can use the for loop. For I in X, print of I, which prints the value 10, 20, 30 and 40. When I initialize the value x of 0 is equal to 100, here I have re-initialized the value of x of 0. Now I give the statement print x of 0. It throws the error report bytes object does not support item assignment. So remember the point. Once we initialize the byte data type, we cannot modify any value into the byte data type. The next data type is byte array data type. So byte array data type is similar to your byte data type, but byte data types are not modifiable. In byte array data type, you can re-initialize the values. Byte array data type conversion or creation is to be done by the function. So the same concept explained in byte array data type format. So here byte array function, which is used to create a byte array elements. See the last step, x of 0 is re-initialized as 100. And now print of x of 0, it prints the value 100 instead of 10. So byte array data types are model. The next data type is list data type. What is meant by list? So list is similar to arrays in C and Java. List is nothing but this is also a group of elements, but it consists of different types of data. In array, we can store the data of similar data type, but in list, we can store different types of data. That is the major difference between array and list. As well as list data type can be dynamically grow during your runtime. But arrays are fixed size. We cannot change the size of array during our runtime process. How the list is to be represented? Lists are represented using the square bracket, and each and every element in the list are separated by the comma symbol. Example for your list data type. So list is equal to, start the square bracket, 10, 20, 14.5, Vijay, Mary, then end the square bracket. So 10 and 20 are the integer values, 14.5 is the floating point value, Vijay and Mary are the strings, both in single quote mark as well as double quotation marks are acceptable. So this is the format of creating string. Now print the list. It prints the value 10, 20, 14.5, Vijay and Mary. Print list of 0. It prints the initial value 10. Print list of 1 is to 3. It returns the value index value 1 and index value 2. Between all the values will be printed here. So the index value 1 is 20 and index value 2 is 14.5. List *2, this is the repetition operator. The entire elements in the list is repeated by 2. The next data type is tuples. Tuples are similar to your list data type. This is also a group of element and it consists of different types of data. The only difference between list and tuples are lists are represented using square bracket. Tuples are represented using parenthesis. Each and every element is separated by the comma symbol. Here, another one more difference. The list elements can be modifiable. The tuple elements cannot be modified. This is one of the example. So, tuple elements are placed within the parenthesis. Here also it accepts different types of data types. See the last step, t of 0 is equal to 50. I have tried to replace the value of 10 instead of 50. It does not support the assignment operation. Right? Range data type. Range data type, it is nothing but it is a sequence of numbers. Similarly, the range data type is also not modifiable. Once we initialize, we cannot modify any values from the range data type. What is the main purpose of range data type? Range data type, which is used to repeat a for loop for more number of times. For that reason, we are going to use the data as range data type. Here is one of the simple example. R is equal to range of 10. For I in R, print I. So it displays the numbers from 0 to 9. See the second example. R1 is equal to range of 10, 50, 5. For I in R1, print I. It displays the values from 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. What is the meaning of this place? Here, the first value 10 is the starting number. The ending value 50 is the ending number. So, we are having the ranges from 10 to 49. These are all the accepted values. The third parameter 5, which is used for step counting operation. So, by this value, we can increase the number of terms. So, 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. So, that is your second element. So, the elements are incremented by 5. So this is called as range data type. Up to this, we have covered the sequence data type. Thank you.